Today's discussion topic is English pronunciation. We are going to discuss a word career, not career, it's career. It's career. Another word we have is legacy, not legacy, it's legacy. Legacy. Another word we have is determine, not determine, determine, determinant. Another word we have is government, not government, it's government, government. R is silence here. Another word we have is iron, it's not iron, it's iron, iron. R is silence. Another word car, it's not car, it's car, it's car. Park, it's not park, it's park, it's park, park. R is silence in both words. Another word we have is pronunciation, it's not pronunciation, it's pronunciation. Another word we have is calcium, magnesium, potassium, it's not calcium, magnesium, potassium, it's calcium, magnesium, potassium. Another word vitamin, it's vitamin, not vitamin, not vitamin, etc. It's vitamin, vitamin. Another word we have is disease, it's not disease, 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 disease. We have learned almost 12 to 13 words in just 30 to 35 seconds. If you want to learn more English words and if you want to learn more English correct pronunciation, you have to do only one thing, is kindly go to YouTube. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.